Numerous cryptocurrency platforms are already available, but some are far more valuable and significant to the sector than others. Stacks, an open-source network created especially to give Bitcoin access to smart contracts and decentralized applications, is one of the most significant platforms for this sector. So let's start with what is Stacks. Cryptocurrency project called Stacks Protocol seeks to improve the Bitcoin blockchain by enabling modular dApps and smart contracts on the network. The main goals of this project are to enhance Bitcoin and ensure maximum adoption of the Bitcoin blockchain. As for the Bitcoin layer, Stacks is commonly referred to as a Bitcoin Layer 2 blockchain due to its direct annexation. Developers can add features to any app made on the Stacks network, thanks to modular dApps. Since Bitcoin forms the foundation of Stacks, the Bitcoin network directly protects every element of the Stacks ecosystem. Okay, now let's examine how exactly does Stacks work. Proof of Transfer, POX. This consensus mechanism lays out the requirements for miners to follow in order to create blocks on the Stacks blockchain. POX is utilized on the proof of burn consensus mechanism, wherein miners destroy proof of work cryptocurrency tokens in order to supply processing power. POX uses a POW cryptocurrency from a separate blockchain to secure chains. Stacks chose Bitcoin as the optimal network to efficiently power the consensus because it prioritizes simplicity and stability, so it is challenging for hackers to compromise the network. Clarity Smart Contracts. The smart contract language, Clarity, makes it possible to use smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. Its goal is to stop the bugs that these contracts may have. This specific smart contract has 2 stacks and 1 Bitcoin transaction. The first Stacks transaction includes the recipient address, the total amount of Bitcoin, and other information. Following this, a Bitcoin transaction is completed, and the chain uses it to determine the current state of Stacks. Following confirmation, another Stacks transaction takes place, confirming the earlier Bitcoin transaction. The parameters of the smart contract are then carried out. This language is optimized for predictability and security. The primary feature of Clarity is being decidable, meaning it can be read on the blockchain without requiring any modifications. Now let's present features of Stacks. Mining. Bitcoin can be spent by miners to choose leaders. Several transactions are sent to the Bitcoin blockchain in this process, and a verifiable random function selects the winner of each round. After that, this person writes the block on Stacks. STX tokens, transaction fees for each mined block, and contract execution fees are awarded to STX miners as rewards. Gaia Storage System. Any data not immediately kept on Stacks is kept in the Gaia storage system. This specific solution offers premium storage options by utilizing Dropbox, Microsoft Azure, and other cloud storage providers. Stacking. The people who take part in this process are called stackers. The blockchain transfers BTC that miners have committed to stackers upon the completion of a block. As compensation for the value that stackers bring to the Stacks network, stackers are given this Bitcoin. The distribution of these prizes occurs once every 7 days. To participate on the blockchain as stackers, holders presently need to hold a minimum amount of 90,000 STX. Those who lack sufficient STX can still participate by using a third-party delegation service, which allows holders to pool their holdings to other users. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.